In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an MT4 Exness trading account. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is create an account on Exness, and then once you've done this, you'll be directed to the Exness personal area, which is essentially your account dashboard. From here, to open an MT4 or MetaTrader 4 Exness trading account, you want to go to Trading top left and click on Accounts. Here, you want to select if you want to create a real MT4 account or a demo one. Now, the difference is a real account is, of course, a real account where you can trade using your own money, you can deposit, but a demo account gives you paper money. So, of course, you can just put on a paper amount of money you can then use for demo simulated trading, okay? So, I'm just going to go and hit the Open Account button next to Demo, but of course, you can do for the real as well. The process is exactly the same. So, I'm going to go and hit Open Account, and then here you can select which account you want. There's standard and professional accounts. I'm going to go with standard and hit continue. From here, again, you can select if you want to trade real or demo. I'm going to go with demo over here. And of course, if you do real, you can't put on the starting balance. But if you put on demo, you can also put on the starting balance as well. I'm actually going to put on 100K of starting balance on this demo account. The currency can also be selected, and then down here you can put on the nickname you want. I'm actually going to name this one Demo MT4, and then you have max leverage. You can put this to whatever you want. I'm gonna do 1 to 100, and then you have the platform. You want to click on the drop down, and you want to click on MT4. Now this one is not supported in the Exness terminal, so of course you can choose only in specific use cases as it says over here, but it is compatible with, of course, MT4, and you can use it on the trading platform. Here, you can also go and type in the password which you want to use for your trading account. I'm going to keep it like that. Click on Create Account. And there we go. That's really all you have to do. Under my demo accounts, there's the MT4 account, and I can go and hit the trade button, or I can just go and, of course, connect this to MT4 and trade in there. If you want to know how to connect it, I do have a separate video on my channel teaching you exactly how to do it, so go watch that first in case you are interested. In case you created a real account, it's going to be found under real. And that's all you have to know. So, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.